This tutorial is about how to become a vendor on the website Diginomad Hub. This website is a Europe-wide website. So click on my account, click register, then click become a vendor, then fill in the registration details. Then click register. It will redirect you to the store setup. Then click let's go. Fill in your shop name and your store email. Then put in your store logo. Then put in your store banner. Then fill in all the remaining details. Then type in your shop description. In this description, you can tell your customers about any important things they need to know. Then press continue. Then you are redirected to the payment setup. Put in your preferred payment method, then your details. Then the policy setup. Set up your policies here. Then set up your customer support. Fill in the details. Then set up your CO, the store CO. Then the store social setup. You can put all your store socials in here. Then you are done. Click let's go to the dashboard. Then you are in your dashboard. In the reports, you can see all your reports. In the settings, you can finish off your store, and as well as some more things like the mobile banner. In the payment section, you can edit your payment. In the policies or the shipping section, you can edit your shipping costs per country for each country. Then click on my store. As it's optional, you can click on it and then you can see how your store looks. Thank you for watching.